Greetings, goddesses. It's Lemuria Kamara here, and it's June 18th, 2021, and we have 2 days remaining before the Summer Solstice Women's Inner Vision and Clarity Workshop that's coming up less than 2 days now. And I just want to really encourage you to take advantage of the early bird special. Get signed up today. The early bird special is only $65. And then if you miss the early bird special, it goes up to $85, but that's still really affordable for this workshop. Workshop begins at 10 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday morning. And it's going to be an amazing workshop. So once you pop in and process your payment, you will get a email with Zoom instructions. Come to the workshop with a journal, a pen, a yoga mat, water, and some tea. Make yourself a nice herbal brew to sit and nurse throughout the workshop. It's going to be a very powerful workshop. You know, summer solstice is one of the most powerful days of the year. This is when the days are the longest. There's more sun bathing the earth. The earth is closest to the sun. And, you know, it's also a time when there's a lot of revitalization and rebirthing energy that's happening on the planet. The sun represents, you know, new birth and revitalization, vitality, energy, and that is what we are going to be infusing into this workshop, and we're going to be bringing this kind of energy into our plan for the second half of this year. This is more of a inner transformational workshop, more so than a business workshop. But the tools that you learn in this workshop, you will absolutely be able to apply to your businesses. So we'll be looking back at the beginning of this year, what worked, what didn't work, what needs to be kept, and what needs to be released. You know, we're just going to take a good, thorough inventory of how we started out and where we are now. Did we achieve our goals? Did we not? If not, is it still relevant? If it is, what do we need? And how much support do we need to move forward? So this is your workshop. This is for you. This is to support you, to inspire you, to motivate you into your next great journey, you know, as we complete the second half of this year. So let's make it huge. Let's make it everything that we want it to be and more. So that's pretty much it. You know, I'm just looking forward for you to show up and to just really take advantage, get everything that you can get out of this workshop. Feed your soul, you know, come and get some inspiration. It's been a challenging year, 2 years, year and a half. And so, you know, we all need to really tap in, keep our life condition high. And here we have this great group that we can really ride the momentum, you know, and that's what summer solstice is about momentum. This is a wave of energy. And so let's find out how we can tap into it and how we can use this to our greatest advantage. So that's it. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday, and have yourself a magical rest of the day. Bye-bye.